Arrive in style with this Acura 2021 TLX technology package. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are navigation system, Acura navigation system with 3D view, 13 speakers, AM/FM radio, SiriusXM, premium audio system, Acura ELS surround, radio data system, radio, ELS studio premium audio system, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and front dual zone AC. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.